I received today my Laowa Venus 12 millimeter, or Venus 12 millimeter, or Laowa only. It depends where you live in this world, how to call this lens. It's a Chinese manufacturer actually, but what I saw on YouTube was very good. But as always, samples is missing. So I thought, oh, okay, I will go the risk, but not uh, above a certain price. So I just waited to the Black Friday 2018 and hoped that somebody makes a promotion out of it. And it happened. A promotion happened, not too much, but I thought, why not? I buy it now. Um, what I just saw that the cap has just been off in the package, but the cap is, to be honest, crap. It's just the plastic, but the rest is not plastic. Is really metal and good quality actually, and also robust. So the lens looks here very good. Let's test some pictures and see how this lens is performing, comparing, for example, to a 60 millimeter. So let's see. This is now the Canon 60 millimeter. It's 3 to 4 meters, the room itself. And when you compare it now with the 12 millimeter, you see a huge difference uh, in between before and now. You can also use it for macro. And when you see on the left side on the lines, they're very straight and natural. So I'm impressed. Just edited a little, and I also was surprised about zero distortion. So it's really good. Also in small rooms because the other room isn't very big. And now I will show you again images of the new bathroom that I have. So because with the 60 millimeter I couldn't get all on it, but with the 12 millimeter it's easy. Let's look at the pictures. So this is my small room, and as you can see, it's pretty wide and the lines are pretty straight. When you look on the sides, maybe strange things happen a little bit about the warping a little bit, but not much. On this image now of the bathroom, you will see it much better about the warping and strange things that's happening on the left down side when you look at it. But the image itself looks very clear, and yeah, I like how this lens is performing, especially in narrow rooms like this one here. So it isn't that big, but it seems it's quite big now. And again, you can also make nice effects when you go very near. I was very near on this subject again. So I finished this clip. As a little reminder, just download the raw files that I have in the description, the link to download it so they can play with it. I hope you enjoyed this little demonstration. Well, the images are not super sharp because the light was not bright in the house. So about sharpness, I will test it another time, but maybe soon. So hope you enjoyed it. I wish you a great day. Bye bye.